This is Casey from Shopify, and I'm going to show you how to point a domain that you already own to your Shopify store. There are two changes you need to make with your domain provider. The first is a URL redirect, and the second is to set the CNAME alias. In this screencast, we're going to use GoDaddy as an example. To begin, log into your domain account. This is where you can see all of the domains that you already own. Simply choose the one you would like to point to your shop. Next, click on Forwarding to set up the URL redirect. Here, we want to input the full URL with www in front. Also, make sure that you have selected HTTP and not HTTPS. Click on OK. Now we're going to launch the DNS manager so we can change the CNAME alias. To do this, scroll all the way down until on the left-hand side you can see www. We are now going to edit this record by clicking on the pencil. Replace the @ sign with your full Shopify URL. Once this is done, scroll down to the bottom and click on Save Zone File. At this point, all the changes that you need to make with your domain provider have been made. We just need to add that URL to your Shopify store. You do this by selecting Preferences from your administrative panel. Click on DNS and Domains. Here, you can see your Shopify URL. We now want to click on the button that says Add a domain you already own. Add the URL you'd like to use, and finally click on the Claim this domain button below. The domain is now added to your DNS and Domains page. In order to make this the primary domain, simply make sure this box is checked. Now, your customers will see your domain name in the address bar and replace the My Shopify URL. Congratulations! You've successfully pointed your existing domain to your Shopify store.